I'm back again with the Tucson. I got some Goodyear window deflectors for the Tucson, and I like these ones because they're made for the Tucson. It's a Goodyear licensed product, and it's an in-channel because some of them are out of the channel and they cover the trim piece up here, and I like the trim. I don't want to stick the deflector on top of the trim, so I like these in-channel ones. They go inside the channel and then they don't cover over the trim. So I was looking for deflectors that wouldn't cover the trim piece on top of the windows, and this kit here, it even comes with a couple license plate frames. They sort of fit in back of your frame there, and they're made of soft plastic so you won't damage your paint. Nice little touch to the kit. So the deflectors themselves are very nice. It's a 4-piece kit, and they do make a 6-piece kit. Another brand, not Goodyear, but there is a 6-piece kit. It looks very nice. It's a nice kit, but the only problem is it'll cover your trim piece here that runs to the front. You have to apply it on top of that. So with this Goodyear kit, you don't have that problem because it's an in-channel. Quick look at the application and instructions. Comes with really good directions, and it's just a peel and stick. There's an optional clip you can put in the front window just so you don't have to worry about it sagging or something, but it's just an optional thing. You don't really need the clip in the center. And they're very good quality, rigid, durable, and they fit very nicely. Before and after. You can see how these ones don't cover the trim piece that runs from the back to the front because they're in channel, but the other ones, they stick on the outside over top of the trim itself, covering up the trim, and they don't quite extend fully to the front to deflect the wind. Like these Goodyears, they come all the way down right to the bottom, so it helps to deflect the rain and wind away. So these other ones, they just stop short at the bottom for some reason, but they look really nice, and those are the two choices that I know of. You have these ones that stick on the outside, and then these ones here that are in channel. Both good options, but you know, one covers the trim and one doesn't, so either way, take care of your Tucson, and I got some good videos coming soon, so I hope you could join me for them, and we'll see you then.